If you want to draw in Gimp with a mouse and still get clean, professional-looking results, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to draw straight lines, smooth out shaky hand movement, create precise line art with paths, and even simulate pen pressure without a tablet. These are the same techniques you can use whether you're sketching, outlining, inking, or just trying to make your mouse drawings look much better. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple GIMP tips and software tutorials. It really helps the channel, and it keeps you updated with more guides just like this one. Let's start with one of the most useful tricks in GIMP: perfectly straight lines. If you've ever tried drawing with a mouse, you already know how easy it is for lines to come out shaky or uneven. The good news is that GIMP gives you a very quick way to force a straight line. First, choose any drawing tool you want, like the paintbrush or pencil. Then click once on the canvas to set your starting point. After that, hold down the Shift key. You'll see a guiding line appear as you move your cursor around. Now all you have to do is left-click again at your destination point, and GIMP will snap a perfect straight line between the 2 points. This is especially helpful for borders, technical drawings, comic panel edges, and any time you need a clean directional stroke. Now let's talk about smooth freehand strokes, because mice naturally create a lot of jitter. Even if your hand is steady, the cursor can still look choppy when you draw slowly. To fix that, GIMP has a smoothing feature that can make your brush strokes much more controlled. Select the paintbrush tool, then look for the Tool Options panel. In that panel, you'll find an option called Smooth Stroke. Turn that on, and then adjust the quality and weight sliders. If you increase the weight, you get more of a tether effect, which means your brush feels like it's being gently pulled behind the cursor. That helps stabilize the line and reduces those tiny bumps and wobbles that happen when drawing with a mouse. If your lines still feel too loose, raise the weight a bit more. If they feel too delayed, reduce it until it feels comfortable. This setting is great for sketching, lettering practice, and drawing organic shapes, because it gives you a cleaner result without needing any special hardware. It's one of those hidden settings that can make a huge difference once you know where to find it. Next up is one of the best tools in GIMP for precision line art, the Paths tool. If you want the computer to do the drawing for you, this is the method to use. The Paths tool gives you far more control than freehand drawing, especially when you're using a mouse. To activate it, press B on your keyboard, then left-click to place anchor points along the shape you want to create. Each click adds another point, and you can click and drag the lines between anchors to curve them into smooth, accurate shapes. This is perfect for faces, outlines, logos, icons, and any detailed artwork where accuracy matters more than speed. Once your path is finished, go to Tool Options and click Stroke Path. Then, choose Stroke with a paint tool if you want GIMP to apply your active brush settings automatically. When you do that, GIMP traces the path for you with a clean, controlled line. This is honestly one of the most powerful mouse drawing methods in the entire program, because you're building the line structure first and letting GIMP handle the final stroke. If you're trying to create smooth curves or professional inking, this technique can save you a ton of frustration. It also makes it much easier to edit your shapes before you commit to the final line, since paths are fully adjustable. Now let's cover something a lot of people ask about: simulating pen pressure with a mouse. Since a mouse can't detect how hard you press, you need to use GIMP's settings to create the illusion of dynamic line weight. That makes your strokes feel more natural and hand-drawn. One option is the Ink tool. Switch to the Ink tool, and you'll notice it behaves differently from a regular brush. It mimics calligraphy and changes stroke thickness based on mouse speed. When you move slowly, the line becomes thicker. When you move quickly, it becomes thinner. That speed-based variation can give your line work a much more traditional inked look. Another option is to use Fade Dynamics in the paintbrush settings. Open the Dynamics menu and choose a preset like Basic Taper or Fade. Then adjust the fade length in pixels. This makes the line automatically taper off over a set distance, which is great for creating pointed ends, stylized strokes, and sketch-like effects. If you want your lines to feel more expressive, this is a really useful trick. So if you combine these methods, you can do a lot with just a mouse. Use Shift for straight lines, Smooth Stroke for cleaner freehand movement, Paths for precision line art, and Ink or Fade Dynamics for more natural-looking line variation. You don't need a tablet to start creating better artwork in Gimp. You just need the right workflow. If this video helped you learn how to draw in Gimp with a mouse, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out the next video for even more Gimp tips and beginner-friendly editing tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.